Clearly this is my hair. You better melt. Girl, why is you doing all that talking? Girl, cause I want to. I got you. Razzle dazzle. Super glueless. Just do it. Just trust me. It is not going anywhere.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere.
Why, hello.
Hi, Mary.
It's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with a very, very slayable slay. Cause that's what I do. But first, you know, I gotta show love for my subscriber of the day. Bam. Ooh, you the bomb. Alright, you guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Do it today. Your mom ever told you you need to get saved today?
You need to get saved today.
I'm telling you, you need to hit subscribe today. Just turn it all over. Just let me tell you, this beauty is from Rpgshow. If you're into wigs, then you probably already know this company. They're all over the place. Very lovely. Quality is something that you do not have to worry about from this vendor. So I love it. So let's get into what I am rocking today. Yes, what I have upon my head is a 16-inch kinky lace front wig. Ooh, I know what you're thinking. You can get kinky lace front wigs from a lot of places. So what's so special about this one? Well, I'm glad you thought that because I'm about to let you know. Anytime a vendor takes the customization out of the equation for you, it is a plus. So the bleach knots, the pre-plucked hairline, those are things that you don't have to do, all right? Because you know plucking, oh Lord, I'm telling you, you can pluck for 40 minutes and look and be like, how come ain't no hair gone? They've taken that burden away for you. Also, this unit comes with an elastic band for extra security and also a glueless install. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I did to make it even more glueless. I am using a silicone wig grip. Get you a wig grip, okay? Just do it. Just trust me, okay? I just need y'all to believe in me on this. It's not gonna work. Oh, it is not going anywhere. I'm telling you, super glueless. You plop this on and you go, boom, bam, I'm ready. There is 6 inches of parting. That's something else that is a plus. It does not have that little bitty baby part. You know them little bitty baby parts that can't nobody stand? Child, I saw a wig one time that said with a 2-inch part. 6-inch deep parting that I love. They bleached the life into these knots, honey. They did that. This is actually tinted, transparent Swiss lace, so it's doing its thing, you know. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. And this lace is literally just blending into my skin. Like it's melting. It's fascinated with my skin, so it wants to be in. Think it's a game if you want to. Razzle dazzle. Clearly this is my hair. Duh. I was like, I'm gonna wear my hair today. It's mine. Whoop. No glue, no freeze spray, no gel, just this wig grip, and the blessings of the Lord. That's all. That's what's up and through here. That's it. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, Mary. There will be an exclusive coupon in the description box. Just make sure you check out all the information in the description box all the time. I got the timestamps in there. So if you want to skip around in the video, you can skip around in the video. So y'all ain't got to be like, girl, why is you doing all that talking? And I don't have to be like, girl, because I want to. We ain't even got to do that. Just jump around with the timestamps. I got you. Hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my day ones. I love y'all. Peace, love, and light. Bye.
We get